Hello everyone, this is Matt here from Matt's Tech TV, and today we are going to be doing a £500 PC build. Now this is my first video in a while, and that is because I've been busy trying to sort out my graphics drivers, because I recently got a new SSD to go in my computer for the boot drive. But anyway, let's get into this. So for the CPU, I have gone for the Intel Pentium G4500 3.5 GHz dual core processor. Now it's £64 from the BT shop, which I honestly think is really good, especially at this price point. And yeah, that's a good bargain. Right, moving on to the motherboard, we have got the ASRock H170A-X1 motherboard. Now this is a really good motherboard. It supports DDR4 RAM. It's black, which will fit nicely with the colour of the case when we get to it. So yeah, and it's ATX as well. Moving on to the RAM, we have got the G.Skill Ripjaw V-Series 16GB. Now this is 2 sticks of 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM. Now this at £117ish, I think it is. It's come very well with the price point. I think we're doing a lot better than the one a few months ago, well, the PC build from a few months ago, which is excellent. But anyway, moving on to the power supply, we have gone for the EVGA 430 watt power supply. This I've gone for 430 watt because it's the one that I could find for the most cheapest. Obviously, well, we're not going to go anywhere near for 300 watts, so we'll be fine with that. So yeah, that's really good. Moving on to the storage, we've gone for a Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive, like we always do. It's 1TB storage is good, plus it's got a long lifespan. I personally have it myself, and it's doing well. So yeah, let's move on. So for the graphics card, we're going for the MSI GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, the 4GB edition. Now I've gone for this because it's really good for the price point. Okay, it's Nvidia as well, which is even better, and yeah, it's ridiculously good. Moving on to the thing that's putting it all together, the case. Now this is going to be the Thermaltake Versa, I hope I said that right, but it's the H23 ATX mid tower, and it's black to fit in with the motherboard. It's HX, so it will fit, so the motherboard will fit in with the form factor, and it's really cheap as well, for like £28 I think it is. It's really good, and yeah, right, that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you smash that like button, and yeah, see you all next time. Bye.